In this video, I'll show you how to use voice mode in Claude AI. This feature lets you interact with Claude by speaking naturally instead of typing, making it much faster and more convenient for asking questions, brainstorming ideas, or getting help with everyday tasks. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your Claude account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your account credentials and access the main chat interface. Once you're on the home screen, click New Chat to start a fresh conversation. Near the message input box, you'll notice a voice or microphone icon. Click on it to activate voice mode. After you click the icon, simply start speaking. You can ask Claude a question, describe a task, or even have a casual conversation. For this example, I asked Claude to generate an image of a sunset.
I can't generate images, I'm afraid. I'm just voice here. But I can paint the picture in words, or if you want an actual sunset photo, I could search the web for one. Which would you like?
Claude replied that voice mode can't create images directly. Instead, it offered to describe the image or search the web for one. Next, I asked Claude to search the web for a sunset image.
Right, so I found a few good spots. Unsplash and Pexels both have loads of free gorgeous sunset photos you can browse and download, no attribution needed. Want me to describe what a typical stunning sunset shot looks like? Or are you just after the links?
As you can see, Claude searched online and recommended websites like Unsplash and Pexels, where you can find and download free sunset photos. So, although voice mode doesn't create images itself, it can still help you locate them on the web. Claude will automatically listen to your voice and convert everything you say into a text prompt. This means you don't have to type anything manually, which can save a lot of time, especially when you have longer prompts or ideas to share. Once your request has been processed, Claude can also respond using its own voice. Instead of reading a text response, you'll hear Claude speak back to you, making the interaction feel much more like a real conversation. This is especially useful if you're multitasking, working on another project, or simply prefer listening over reading. Voice mode works well for a variety of tasks. For example, you can use it to brainstorm ideas, summarize articles, practice a new language, draft emails, generate creative content, or ask quick questions while you're working. Since everything happens through voice, the experience feels more natural and hands-free. And that's everything you need to know about using voice mode in Claude AI. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to set it up and start using it effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.